AHATA Excellence Awards is the official tourism industry award recognizing outstanding people working in our tourism industry, exclusively for all AHATA members to participate, including hotels, timeshare resorts, and allied member companies. Save the date for November 23, 2019 for Aruba's Tourism Spectacular Award Dinner. This year, AHATA Excellence Awards introduces new categories especially for small companies. There are 9 categories in total. Employee of the Year for large and small companies. Supervisor of the Year for large and small companies. Manager of the Year for large and small companies. Young Tourism Professional. Sustainability Champion. And the new Lifetime of Service Award to honor an employee who has dedicated over 25 years to excellent work in hospitality. We encourage all AHATA members, both large and small companies, to participate in this year's awards ceremony. Submit your nominations by August 16, 2019. For more information, visit ahata.com.